All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about how to access tuples. So you can access tuple items by referring to the index number inside square brackets. Negative indexing. Negative indexing means start from the end. -1 refers to the last item, -2 refers to the second to last item, etc. Range of indexes. You can specify a range of indexes by specifying where to start and where to end the range. When specifying a range, the return value will be a new tuple with the specified items. Range of negative indexes. Specify negative indexes if you want to start the search from the end of the tuple. Check if items exist. To determine if a specified item is present in a tuple, use the in keyword. Okay? So with that, let's jump over to our tuples notebook and take a look at these examples. All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about in this notebook, I should say, not this video, but in the notebook, we're going to talk about how to access tuple items. So you can access tuple items by referring to the index number inside square brackets. So let's look at an example of this and how could we do this. So we're going to do our tuple, okay, equals, and we'll do our common list here. So we're going to do Google, Facebook, and YouTube, okay? And then we're going to print our tuple. Google, Facebook, and YouTube. There you go. Now, what we can do too is we can give it the value of 1 in brackets. So if I do that, and then I run this again, now we have Facebook. So Facebook is there, Google and YouTube are not, okay? Negative indexing. So negative indexing means start from the end, okay? So if I do -1, so let's just copy all this, okay? So if I hit Command A on the Mac, Command C, and then Command V down here, it'll paste it in. And if I do -1, what's that going to do? Instead of displaying Facebook, we're going to get YouTube. There you go. Now, range of indexes. You can specify a range of indexes by specifying where to start and where to end the range. When specifying a range, the return value will be a new tuple with the specified items. So what we can do for this example is I'm going to highlight all this. So Command A, Command C, and then we'll put it down here. And what I want to do is let's add some more social media platforms. So let's do Twitter. Let's do Instagram. Let's do WhatsApp. And let's do Pinterest. Okay? Now, when I edit this, instead of doing negative, we're going to do 2:5 and then run that. And what do we get? We get YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram. Okay? So it's going to return the third, the fourth, and the fifth item. Okay? So the third, the fourth, and the fifth. Okay? And that's the idea of doing range of indexes. Okay? Range of negative indexes. So the example returns the -4 index and the -1 index. Okay? So if I just copy this here, paste it down here, and we do -4, okay, and then we do -1, okay, and then run that, what do we get? We get Twitter, Instagram, and WhatsApp. So it gives us the last 2 here, the last 3 out of 4, okay? Check if items exist. So determine if a specified item is present in a tuple, use the in keyword, okay? So what we can do for that is this. We'll copy our tuple here, and then if Google in our tuple, okay, colon, print, yes, Google is on our list. List. There we go. Now if I run that, yes, Google is on our list. There you go. Now if I change this to let's think of one here quick. Instead of that, let's do new, right? I run that, I don't get anything because it's not there. Now, if I do Google, again, what happens? Yes, Google's on our list. So that's how you access tuples, okay? So it's pretty straightforward, but again, it's a lot of fun. Okay, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.